The future of Bitcoin, boom or bust. Welcome to another episode of Wealth Through Time, where we explore the history, present, and future of financial powerhouses. Today we dive deep into the ever-controversial topic of Bitcoin. Is it the future of currency or a financial disaster waiting to happen? Well, stick around because we're going to uncover it all. Let's take a trip back to 2008. When an anonymous person or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto introduced the concept of Bitcoin. But what was the vision behind it? Satoshi wanted to create a decentralized digital currency that would bypass traditional banking systems. It was seen as a rebellion against the control of central banks. What do you think? Could a currency like Bitcoin have really been a threat to the old financial order? Do you think the world was ready for a decentralized currency back then? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Fast forward to today, Bitcoin's value has skyrocketed, crashed, and rebounded multiple times. Some early investors became millionaires, while others lost fortunes overnight. In 2010, a programmer bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. Imagine what that's worth today? Yes, over $250 million. But on the flip side, Bitcoin's value also dropped by nearly 50% in 2021 alone. So the question remains, is Bitcoin the ultimate get-rich-quick scheme or the riskiest gamble in the financial world? Would you have held on to your Bitcoin during the ups and downs? Let me know what you would have done in the comments. As the world's most famous cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has attracted attention from governments across the globe. Countries like El Salvador have embraced it as legal tender, with the president even encouraging citizens to hold their savings in Bitcoin. But not everyone is sold. Countries like China have outright banned the currency due to concerns over financial stability and energy consumption. What's behind these drastically different decisions? Well, for countries like El Salvador, Bitcoin represents economic opportunity. But for others, it's a threat to national security and the environment. What do you think? Should more countries adopt Bitcoin, or is it better to avoid the risks? Drop your opinion in the comments. While Bitcoin remains the pioneer and most well-known cryptocurrency, it's certainly not the only player in town. Ethereum introduced smart contracts which enable decentralized applications beyond just currency. Ripple, or XRP, focuses on fast and low-cost international payments, aiming to revolutionize cross-border transactions for banks and institutions. Then there are coins like Litecoin, often seen as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, offering faster transaction times. Some of these cryptocurrencies solve challenges that Bitcoin faces, such as transaction speed and scalability, yet despite the competition, Bitcoin remains the largest and most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap. But will it maintain this position? Do you think Bitcoin will always be the king of crypto, or could another cryptocurrency take its place? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's get to the core of how Bitcoin actually works. Unlike traditional currency, Bitcoin transactions are verified through a decentralized network of computers known as the blockchain. These transactions are secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to alter. Plus, there's a limited supply, only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity is one of the main reasons people believe Bitcoin will continue to increase in value. But with such a revolutionary concept comes challenges. Transactions can be slow, and the energy consumption is staggering. Did you know that Bitcoin mining uses more electricity than some entire countries? Do you think Bitcoin's energy consumption is a deal breaker, or is it worth it for a decentralized future? Let me know in the comments. Now let's turn our attention to the future of Bitcoin. On one side, the Bitcoin bulls believe that it's only a matter of time before Bitcoin becomes the world's dominant currency. These optimists predict that Bitcoin's value will soar to $500,000 or even $1 million per coin. They argue that as more companies and countries adopt it, demand will skyrocket while supply remains limited. On the other side, the Bitcoin bears argue that Bitcoin is a bubble waiting to burst. They cite its volatility, environmental concerns, and competition from government-backed digital currencies like China's digital yuan as reasons why Bitcoin might fail. Are you a Bitcoin bull or a bear? Will it go through the roof or crash and burn? Share your thoughts below. So, is Bitcoin the future of money or just a financial fad? The truth is, no one knows for sure. What we do know is that it has changed the way we think about currency forever. Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, There's no denying that Bitcoin has already cemented its place in financial history. If you're ready to take the first step towards building your financial future, check the link in the description. This is your path to securing financial freedom today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.